Okay, question 13. If A is to B, this is to C is to D, A is to C is to D, prove that A square plus AB is to C square plus CD equals to B square minus AB is to D square minus 2CD. We are going to use over here K method. So this is basically A upon B. This is equal to C upon D. Let this be equal to K. So I'm taking the first part over here. A upon B is equal to K. So B I will take it over here. So I will get A is equal to BK. Same way C upon D is equal to K. So C is equal to DK. Now I'm going to take the left hand side. This part which is there from here to here, this is our left hand side. So that is LHS, left hand side. So we are having here LHS. This is equal to A square plus AB upon C square plus CD. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute here what is A and what is C in terms of B, K and DK. So this is what I'm getting here. Instead of A, I'm going to write BK, A square. So that is B square K square plus A, that is BK, multiplied by B divided by, this will be C square, which is D square K square, plus what is C, D into K, plus what is remaining is this D. Just check what you can take common. This is equal to, this is B square K square and this is B square K. B square K square is there here, B square K is there. So from this B square is common, K square and K is common. What I'm going to get is in the bracket K plus 1. This is divided by, here also D square and D square is there, K square and K is there. So this will give me D square, K square and K, I'll take K common. Inside the bracket, what I'm going to get is K plus 1. Okay, you can strike out this K and K and this K plus 1 and K plus 1. What is remaining from left hand side is B square upon D square. Now the same thing I'm going to do for this part, that is right hand side. So RHS is equal to B square minus 2AB upon D square minus 2CD. This is equal to, we are supposed to substitute for A and C. Okay, B square, this is going to remain as it is, minus 2, instead of A I'm going to put BK and this B will remain as it is. D also will remain as it is, D square minus 2CD. C is going to become DK and D is going to remain as it is. Now see what is common. We'll do the same thing. This is equal to, here B square is there, Here also b square is there. So this is b square. What comes inside the brackets? Okay, here 1 will be there, minus this b square is gone, this b and this b, so 2k divided by, here d square is there, here also d and d, that is d square, so d square is there. From this d square we have taken d square common, so 1 is remaining, minus this d and d square gone out, 2k is remaining, so 2k is remaining. This will be struck off. What is remaining is b square upon d square. Correct? So both the sides you can see this part is also b square upon d square, this side is also b square upon d square. Okay, we started with this and we proved that it is b square upon d square. Then for RHS also we started with this, and that also we proved that it is equal to b square upon d square. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. I'll quickly brush up what we have done. Okay, A upon B is taken as K, C upon D is also taken as K. Okay, so what I have done here is A upon B is K. So I take this B here, so A is BK, same way C is DK. And then I substitute over here at all places for A as BK and for C as DK. And then I get both the sides equal. Just take down this sum and the other remaining two sums, second part and third part, they are there for homework.